This is how to change your wiper blades using a 2013 Cadillac CTS Coupe as an example. Sooner or later you start seeing the wipers leave streaks behind and you know it's time to replace them. The first thing is to make sure you get the right wipers. You can't just get the measurement sometimes if you go to an auto parts store because they may have a different attachment style. So just make sure you have the right ones for your specific vehicle. When you get them home, make sure they look like the right ones. That length looks right there. And that's the one over there. This is one of the easiest things you can do for car maintenance. Make sure not to scratch your paint or your windshield for that matter. Now these are from the dealer, so they should work. And most cars you can flip the arm up and it will stay still. There's few that won't do that, but most of them should. Now it's a little bit hard to see this, but before this will release, see this little trigger? I'm going to pull that back and then the whole wiper assembly comes back and out and can be removed. So most wipers are going to have some kind of a little spring-loaded gadget that locks them in place. So you pull that off. Now even though this looks a little different, there's the opening. Just going to slide it in. And then slide it out. Now it's latched. Make sure it's latched. Okay. And then this has a fold over. It just snaps in place. And just put it back down. There you go. That's one. And we're just going to repeat it for the other side. Again, we're going to pull the arm up. Going to hit that little trigger right there so that releases it. Pull it off. Open our new one. Pull the new one out. Put this one in here. Again, we're going to put this in here and we're going to pull it all the way to where it latches. Okay. There's the second one. Now if we start the car, now if we hit the wipers, you see a nice clean pattern, just like we want.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let's celebrate turning fuel and air into adrenaline.